Hello, welcome on my channel APG.STUDIO. My name is Alicia, fitness yoga expert, and as every Monday, special session yoga for beginners. And we start new series about common mistakes during yoga practice. So this is the first episode right now. I'm going to talk about all the poses when you're bending to your side, left or right. So let's try first with your feet wider than your shoulders width apart, and this is very important. You're controlling your hips position. That's why I always ask to engage abdominal muscles. So you need to pull them in, and also you need to clench your buttocks muscles. When you work with the muscles front and back, you've got more stability in your hips. Why? Because when you relax this area and you start to bend to your, let's say, left side, usually it's much more comfortable and easier to make this movement from your hips. So I hope you can see that. All the position bending side to side is build strength in your core and mobility in your spine. So what you want to do is move your body from your waist up, instead rocking hips side to side. Especially if you've got weak muscles around your hip, or you've got some problem with your hip joints, this could exaggerate your problem already. So this is important. The first mistake is rocking from your hips, because you've got this impression you're moving further, going deeper in the stretch. Where is the stretch? Stretch is on this side all the way. But if you work from your hips by swinging to your right now, the stretch is here, your hip area. But it's not supported with your muscles. Everything is lost. So it's not the way we stretch muscles. Muscles needs to be engaged. One side is contract, one is stretched. The same happens here. When you've got good strong muscles around your pelvis and you use them and you activate them, you're moving only upper body, so you're feeling the movement in your spine. That's why when you are a beginner, it's easier to go from your hip. But it's not making any difference for your mobility in your spine, because spine is the same position. It's still straight. We want this movement, bend to your side. So you're working both left and right. When you bend to your right, bend to your left, we're stretching your right side all the way, and we strengthen muscles on your left. So muscles contract here, muscles stretched on the other side. Second mistake during bending poses is rotation in your upper body. So the first one is movement from the lower part, from your waist down. The other one is the up, shoulders. So when you're thinking, oh yeah, I'm controlling my hips, there is no movement here, they are nice and strong, solid position, you can again compensate unconsciously. This is what our body does. If you're forcing your muscles to the limits, your body needs to respond for that. And that's the small adjustment your body takes, makes all the difference for success in your stretching. Not only yoga, but all the stretching. And when you practice this, you're not stretching muscles on your right side, which is our purpose, to work with your side all the way, from your arm to your waistline. Okay, so you need to be careful. We've got two different places you can compensate, from your hips or from your shoulders, and you're trying to control both of them. Okay, So that's why it's not great idea to copy someone, especially when you see the picture. You are not this person, and why you want to look like someone else? Yoga is for everyone, but everyone's yoga is different because we are all different. And it's much better for you, for your own benefits, to focus, okay, I'm holding my hips, controlling my muscles, and I'm watching how far I can make this movement without any compensation. Because you're thinking, yeah, I'm looking at someone here, but if your muscles in your lower back not that flexible, if you don't have strength core muscles, your position is gonna be like this. And if you continue this way, you're not improving anything. Nothing about the flexibility, nothing about the strength. So that's why it's more important. You listen to your body, you know the points your body can compensate if you're trying too hard. Okay, so let's try the correct way without any mistakes. So legs wider than your shoulders width apart, because it's easier to control the hips position. When you've got stronger core, you can try with your feet closer. But for beginners, it's easier to control hips area when your feet wider. You've got better foundation for the pose. Engage your abs, engage your glutes, right arm. You don't have to start close to your head. Could be moving to your right side. And now slowly just bending to your left side. You can start your arm higher. And if you're feeling you're ready for more stretch, but also you've got enough strength in your on your left side, try to bring your right arm closer without resting your left hand on your leg. Because, again, give your body work, your obliques muscles on your left side, so left arm is relaxed. If you notice the twist, you can see your shoulder go up and stay like this. Really feel the stretch right place. Try on your, move to your right side. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, release, exhale, stretch. Inhale and exhale. Notice if you've got tendency to bending your elbow or your arm is straight. If you bend your elbow, you're losing the stretching. So you've got 3 points: hips, shoulders, and your arm, which is up. Better if you're straight. We've got more benefits if you're straight up instead bend and close to your head. Okay? So thank you. I hope that was useful and clearly how to work and do yoga and stretching without mistakes, to have all the benefits from yoga. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please give me thumbs up, and if you know anyone who should watch this video today, please share the link with your friends. If you've been watching first time, subscribe and hit notification bell. And I see you next Monday. Stay safe, healthy. See you with me. Bye for now.